If you've ever tried to stream Netflix on Discord and got that annoying black screen, you are definitely not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen issue, step by step, in a way that actually works. This is perfect if you want to watch a movie with friends, host a watch party, or just share a show in a private voice channel or group call. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Netflix and sign in to your account. Make sure you're already logged in before you move to Discord, because it helps keep everything smoother when you start sharing. If you are using a browser, keep Netflix ready, but don't start the video just yet. Next, open Discord, or if you prefer, launch the Discord desktop app. The desktop app is usually the better choice for screen sharing, so if you have it installed, use that for the best results. Now we need to fix the most common cause of the black screen problem, and that is hardware acceleration. Let's start with your browser. If you are using Chrome, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, then choose System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available, and turn it off. After that, relaunch Chrome so the change takes effect. This step is important because hardware acceleration can interfere with Netflix video playback when you try to share it. Now do the same thing inside Discord. In Discord, click User Settings, then scroll down and open Advanced. Find hardware acceleration and turn it off. Once you disable it, Discord will ask you to relaunch the app, so go ahead and restart it. This is another major fix for the black screen issue, because Discord's acceleration settings can block video content from sharing properly. Once Discord has restarted, join a voice channel or start a direct message call or group call with the people you want to watch with. Make sure everyone is connected before you begin sharing, so the stream starts cleanly and everyone can hear and see the setup. Now open Netflix in a separate browser window. This part matters because you want Discord to capture the correct window, not your entire browser session with extra tabs. Keeping Netflix in its own window makes it easier to choose the right source when you start screen sharing. After that, click the Screen Share button in Discord. You'll see a list of available windows and applications. From here, select the Netflix browser window that you open separately. Be careful to choose the exact Netflix window, not Discord itself or another browser tab. If you don't see the correct window, double-check that Netflix is open in its own separate window. Before you go live, choose your preferred resolution and frame rate. If your internet connection is strong, you can use a higher quality setting. If you want a smoother stream with fewer issues, lower settings may work better. The best choice depends on your connection and the device you are using, so pick the option that gives you the best balance of quality and stability. Now click Go Live or Share Screen to start broadcasting the window. At this point, your selected Netflix window should appear for everyone in the call. Once the share is live, go back to Netflix and press play on the video you want to watch. If everything is set correctly, your viewers should now see the stream without that black screen problem. If you still run into issues, go back and make sure hardware acceleration is turned off in both Chrome and Discord, and confirm that you selected the correct window instead of the full browser. Those two details solve most of the common problems people face with Netflix screen sharing. And that's it! You now know how to stream Netflix on Discord without the black screen issue. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who's trying to set up a watch party. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.